Hey guys, welcome to my new house. This is my house tour before the remodel. Okay, so it was a crazy story on how we ended up getting the house when we were not really looking, but I'll get into that later. Here's the foyer of the house, which is too big for us, so we're gonna be making it a bit smaller to get more space on places we need. The house has only had one owner, so they built it to suit their lifestyle at the time. From the foyer, you walk straight into the really big living room, which I call a ballroom. We'll be breaking down this wall and we'll build a two-sided fireplace so we can see the dining room from the living room. So this is the current dining room, which will become our kitchen. We are swapping the dining room and kitchen because I want to have windows facing the backyard while in the kitchen since we spent so much time there. The current kitchen will become the dining room. We're going to raise the ceilings here and add a beautiful chandelier and an epic wine wall. The house is a big square shape, so from this area you head back to the front. There's a guest room on this side as well. On the other side of the house is the other bedrooms. This is what used to be a library, but we'll be turning it into our master bedroom because come on, look at those windows and views. The previous owner was an Oscar-nominated husband and wife duos, and they were screenwriters, so this was their writing room. From the master, you can go out to the backyard where we're going to have a really cool covered patio. Let me tell you guys about how we bought the house. Did you know that it was because of Ani and we're now neighbors that are going to live across the street from each other? Crazy, right? Basically, Ani came to an estate sale at the house and thought it would be the perfect house for us. The rest is history. It wasn't even listed. We didn't even go through agents. We literally got the house from the owner. Safe to say we got lucky in this crazy LA market. Okay, back to the house. Here's the office of the house. Yes, they had an office and a separate library. If this looks familiar, it's because Anya and I are currently working out of here until we start construction. This is going to be the girls' playroom. The green room, as Aya likes to call it, is the current master, but will become the girls' shared bedroom. I'm having them share a room because I want them to build a strong bond. Guys, that's the tour pre-remodel. Stay tuned. I have a very long and interesting year ahead of me, but I'll keep you guys posted on all the progress.